Let's go. Shortly after announcing his new album, Wales MC Mr. Formula drops his first single featuring none other than the legendary Detroit lyricist, Guilty Simpson. The latest offering comes in the form of a single titled Safe Bet. It's sure to set up any sound system ablaze with tightly coiled bass lines and thumping drums. Mr. Formula delivers his usual vocal mastery of the Welsh language, while Guilty does what he does best, smash verses. Safe Bet is available everywhere now, ladies and gentlemen. Songs that mean something. You Don't Stop Radio Show. This is Mr. Formula featuring Guilty Simpson. Safe Bet right here.
What's up? It's your boy MC Search, and you're listening to And You Don't Stop with Chuck D right here on Rap Station. Peace.
Yeah. One time, Guilty Simpson, Motor City to the UK, let's go. Detroit to Wales, my heavy talks tipping the scales, and they wait for it. Front row sipping